The editor is a tool that provides means to edit records in bulk. To open the editor window, you can either click on the editor toolbar icon. Select the editor submenu option from the window menu option. Or use the fast key combination of Command-Shift-R. The editor window consists of three parts: a toolbar, an operations sidebar for the editing operations, a data view for the editable attributes values. The toolbar has three components. The attribute to edit used to select the record attribute you want to edit. For attributes can be edited in bulk, tags, level, font color and parent. The scope of edit used to specify the set of records to be edited. Four options are provided. Selected records, to edit the records currently selected in the display view. Visible records, to edit the records visible in the display window. Filtered records, to edit the records returned with the current set of active filters. All records, to edit all the records in the timeline. Note that with all four options, only the records with the attribute that matches the value to be edited will be edited. For example, if the scope of edit is the filtered records and you want to change the font color of the red records to blue, then only the records which font color are red will be edited to blue, and not all the filtered records regardless of their color. The last component of the toolbar is a help button that will bring you to this video. The operations sidebar is where the available editing operations are listed. The available editing operations are dependent on the attribute to be edited as well as the scope of edit. We will review the possible operations available for each attribute in their corresponding tutorial. The content of the data view is dependent on the attribute being edited. For example, when the edited attribute is tags, then the list of tags used with the records to be edited is listed. When the edited attribute is level, then the list of levels used with the records to be edited is listed, and so on. In the companion tutorials, we will review the editing capabilities for each supported attribute, but before, let's review the timeline used as an example. The timeline consists of three groups of records colored blue, red, and green. As the table view shows, each group is assigned a specific level and one unique tag. For example, the records in Group 1 are assigned a level value of 30 and one tag, Tag 1. We will be editing those groups in bulk in the next tutorials.